Today we will learn Chinese characters.
耳
Watch my pronunciation.
耳耳耳耳多耳多，这是我的耳朵，这是我的耳朵。耳机耳机戴耳机听音乐，戴耳机听音乐。耳边耳边，我听见耳边有风声。我听见耳边有风声。
Now follow me to write this character. This character refers to the ear, the organ we use to hear sounds. In Chinese culture, the ear is not only a hearing organ, but also represents listening, learning, and accepting opinions. Sometimes by listening to others more and summarizing experiences and lessons, we can understand truths and become wise. This character is not difficult to write, but its structural proportions are not easy to master. When writing this character, these two strokes should be written longer to look good. You've all learned it today, haven't you? See you next class.